Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am your host, Jane. Today, we are going to learn about traveling, but we are not driving a car, we are not walking, we are taking public transportation. Do you take the bus? Do you take the subway? In a big city, these are very important questions. Today, we will learn easy words and sentences for taking the bus and subway. I will speak slowly. Please listen carefully. Then you can practice with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Short musical transition. First, let's talk about the bus. A bus is a large vehicle. Many people can sit inside a bus. Buses drive on the road. To take a bus, you must go to a bus stop. Repeat after me. Bus stop. A bus stop is a place on the street. You wait there. You stand and wait for the bus to arrive. At the bus stop, you might see a sign, or you might see a schedule. The schedule tells you the time. It tells you when the bus comes. For example, the bus comes at 8 a.m. The bus comes at 8:15 a.m. Let's say the word together. Schedule. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. Schedule. You look at the schedule, you wait. Then the bus arrives. When the bus arrives, you must get on. We call this boarding. To board the bus means to go inside the bus. When you board the bus, you see the driver. The driver drives the bus. You should say hello to the driver. It is polite. Hello, good morning. Now you have to pay. To ride the bus, you need money, or you need a ticket, or you need a card. We call the money you pay a fare. F-A-R-E. Fare. The fare is the price of the trip. You pay the fare, you tap your card, beep, or you put cash in the box. After you pay the fare, you look for a seat. A seat is a chair. If the bus is empty, you can sit down. If the bus is full, you must stand. You hold the handle. Let's practice this part. I will say a sentence, you listen, and then you repeat. Ready? I wait at the bus stop. I wait at the bus stop. I pay the fare. I pay the fare. I sit down. I sit down. Very good. Now the bus is moving. You look out the window, you see the city. But you need to leave the bus. You want to go to work or you want to go home. How do you stop the bus? Inside the bus, there is a button or there is a cord. When you are near your stop, you press the button. Ding! This tells the driver, please stop. When the bus stops, the doors open. You go out. We say, get off. You get on the bus to start. You get off the bus to finish. Let's repeat that. Get on, get off. I get off at the next stop. I get off at the next stop. Short musical transition. Now let's talk about the subway. In some cities, it is called the metro, or the underground, or the tube, but today we will call it the subway. The subway is a train, but it is underground. It is under the city. To take the subway, you do not go to a bus stop. You go to a subway station. Repeat after me. Subway station. You walk down the stairs, you go underground. At the station, you need a ticket. You go to a machine, you buy a ticket, or you use your card. Then you go through the gate. The gate opens. Now you walk to the platform. P-L-A-T-F-O-R-M. Platform. The platform is the area where you wait for the train. You stand on the platform. You do not stand on the tracks. The tracks are dangerous. You wait on the platform. The train comes very fast. Whoosh! The train stops. The doors open. People come out first. You must wait. Let people get off first, then you get on. Inside the subway, it is very fast. There are no traffic jams. There is a map on the wall. The map. The map shows you the stops. Next stop, Central Park. Next stop, Main Street. You listen to the voice. You look at the map. Sometimes the subway is very busy. This time is called rush hour. Repeat after me. Rush hour. Rush hour is in the morning when people go to work, usually 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Rush hour is in the evening when people go home, usually 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. During rush hour, the subway is crowded. Crowded means there are many, many people. There are no seats. Everyone is standing. It is hot. It is tight. If you see an old person or a pregnant woman, you should stand up. You should give them your seat. This is very kind. Let's practice some subway sentences. Are you ready? Where is the subway station? Where is the subway station? I need to buy a ticket. I need to buy a ticket. Is this the right train? Is this the right train? Excellent. Short musical transition. Let's talk about asking for help. Sometimes you are lost. You do not know where to go. It is okay. You can ask a person. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? Let's try that slowly. Does this bus go to the city center? Or for the subway, which line goes to the airport? Subways have lines, the red line, the blue line, the green line. Which line goes to the airport? If you are confused, look for an information desk or look for a map. Maps are very helpful. Soft background music returns. Okay, let's do a big review. Let's remember the words we learned today. I will say the definition, you try to say the word. Number 1. The place where you wait for a bus. It is on the street. What is it? It is a bus stop. Number 2. The money you pay to ride the bus or train. What is it? It is a fare. Number 3. The list of times. It tells you when the bus arrives. What is it? It is a schedule. Number 4. The place underground where you wait for the train. What is it? It is a platform. Number 5, the busy time of day. Many people are traveling. What is it? It is rush hour. And finally, the action words. To enter the bus, get on. To leave the bus, get off. You did a great job today. Public transportation can be difficult, but with these words, it is easier. Next time you see a bus, think of the English words. That is a bus. That is a bus stop. That is the driver. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines. I am Jane. I hope you have a safe trip wherever you go. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.